Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Bakale. Today we are going to discuss on the topic the experiments of the clinical trial. We're talking about the two experiment. First one is the Nebuchadnezzar's experiment and second one is the scurvy experiment. So let's talk about the Nebuchadnezzar's experiment. The first documented experiment resembling a clinical trial was not conducted by any scientist or any doctor, but by an ingenious military leader who added the architecture and is perhaps best known for the 7 years. 7 years he spent roaming the wilderness eating grass. His name was King Nebuchadnezzar, and he ruled Babylon for almost 60 years. His region ending in 562 BC. At some points during his rule, according to the book of Daniel in the Bible, Nebuchadnezzar ordered his people to eat only meat and drink only wine. So a diet he believed would keep them in perpetual fine fatal. But several youth of royal blood and the herbivorous bent objected. Then, far from the being angry, the king, his curiosity piqued, permitted the disaster to instead follow a diet of the legumes and the water, but only for 10 days, after which he could access their health. When Nebuchadnezzar's experiment ended, the bean-loving appeared better nourished than the maddened meat-eaters, so the king allowed them to continue their diet. So this is about the Nebuchadnezzar's experiment. Let's talk about the scurvy experiment. So the scurvy experiment is often associated with the 18th century British Royal Navy surgeon James Lind, who conducted a pioneering study to understand and treat scurvy. Scurvy is a disease. It's caused by a deficiency of a vitamin C. Here, uh, let's talk about the scurvy. Scurvy was a rampant and deadly disease among sailors during the age of exploration, particularly on long sea voyages. Its symptoms included fatigue, weakness, gum disease, then skin lesion, and in several cases, death. And despite its prevalence, the cause of the scurvy was unknown at the time. So, the James Lind experiment. In 1947, James Lind conducted a control experiment on the HMS Salisbury, a British naval ship, to investigate potential treatment for the scurvy. He selected 12 service-stricken sailors with similar symptoms and divided them into six pairs. Uh, so, Link Lind export Link exposed each pair of sailors to a different dietary supplement for a period of 2 weeks, while keeping their overall diet and living conditions consistent. The six treatment tested were first group given the two sailors receive a daily dose of a cider. Second group, two sailors receive diluted sulfuric acid. Then third group receive a vinegar. Then fourth group, paste of the from paste made from the barley. Then fifth group, uh, give a sea water. Then last one means the sixth group give a dietary supplement of the oranges and the lemons. Means he gives to them orange and lemons. Then after the experiment, result was were striking. The two sailors in a group 6 who received a citrus foods, means the orange citrus foods means orange and lemons, show a remarkable improvement in their scurvy symptoms within a week. The sailors in the other group show little to no improvement. So, conclusion of the scurvy experiment is based on this finding. James Lind concluded that the citrus foods were highly effective in treating the scurvy. He published his result in a book titled A Treatise of the Scurvy in 1753. These experiments laid the foundation for the understanding that scurvy was caused by a deficiency of a vitamin C, and that citrus fruit could prevent and cure the disease. So this is about the Medu Chandra's experiment and the scurvy experiment. Hope you like my video. Thank you.